actually kind of lit for me because right now, as you can see, I got my 2 hands and I'm not using a tripod or anything like that. So the iPhone camera is already, you know, good as is. So I might as well just take advantage of it. The only downfall is if I wanted to go somewhere where I'm using the map and stuff, I wouldn't be able to use my navigation. The one thing I'm excited to say is that I will be getting a new exhaust done to my car soon. So, and if you're not aware, this is a 2021 Dodge Challenger SXT. So right now it's got a real nice deep tone to it, but it just needs to be louder. I'm pretty sure everybody with an XXT can agree. It has a real nice deep tone. It needs that aggression. Turn this. Let's go ahead and get over it. This is early morning traffic too. 6:32 in the morning. I was chilling in the house watching other POV videos and I'm like, damn, I got the head strap. Might as well get me one in. So here we are. I'ma either put it in sport soon, like as in around now, or I'm gonna wait until it kind of opens up a little bit. There's a Mustang right there. See if you gonna do anything. Damn, all this traffic. You could not get around these motherfuckers. Woo, early morning. What you know about it? What you know about it? Ooh, I was finna try to cut you off, but I ain't finna do it. I ain't finna do it. I feel like I found an opening right here. As long as this SUV stays where they are. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go ahead and get over. Get behind this truck. And the van gave me space. They got over. I want to get around this truck, but they won't get out the way. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy. We can't. I ain't gonna do nothing crazy because we can't. You want to hear it in, put it in gear. Oh, I know y'all see that Camaro over there. If y'all can, let's see. I don't know, can y'all see that Camaro? No, he would get over more too, so of course you can't see him. But there he is. Get out the way, Bronco. Get out the way, Bronco. Man, that truck trying to cut them off in the way for the Bronco to get out the way. I mean, this nigga probably ain't gonna move anyways. He sure got space in front of him too. Go this way. Like that. Put it back in drive. BMW behind us. Damn, there's so much traffic, dog. The only thing we can do is try to cut up. Oh, if y'all hear this rattling. I was about to say, I honestly couldn't tell you what it is, but I know what it is. It's my drink. Hopefully it's clear on the way back. I was gonna cut him off, but I wasn't gonna do it to him. I wasn't gonna do it to him. Honestly, the only way I really would have is if I would have downshifted into fourth. Would have had power behind it. Ooh, there's a lot of traffic today. Buddy, you're right there. You didn't want to get over. You're right there. This man in his way forward is trying so hard just to get to the right lane. I just seen him. Sorry, I saw my opening. I seen him turn on his right signal. I'm like, dog, you doing all this just to get in the right lane? You trying to go this fast just to get in the right lane? There ain't even an exit right there. Or where he was, there wasn't. It was coming up to it, but like, you had plenty of time. Man was in a hurry. Hey, probably late for work. Early morning traffic, dog. Ain't nothing new. I ain't gonna lie. We finna get over and take this exit. Like that. See, that's when you rush. You do it when you're trying to do it last minute. That's when you rush. Back on the interstate. Let's put the windows down a little bit. Hopefully it's not too windy. I know damn well that shit sound windy. I know damn well that shit sound windy, boy. I'm gonna see if y'all can hear this under this these bridges. he got. Alright, we had our fun. Hit this thing, though. Just wait till I get my exhaust. I'm not gonna say what type of exhaust or nothing. You'll see it in the title when it's time. But me and this Infinity, bro, we wanna go. Come on. It's Q37. Look at him. He's trying to get over. Come on. Come on. Let's cut up. Damn. We all here together though. That's all that matters. Don't get caught up over there though, broski. Hang on, love. We are gonna follow him. We gotta be in these areas anyway, so ain't no point in rushing. We got traffic. Might as well cruise. Ooh, you can't go nowhere, buddy. You can't go nowhere. We here. Oh, you can go there though. I know what you. Ugh. This nasty ass truck. Go ahead and get over. I know you wanna get over. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Stuck in traffic. We got stuck in traffic. What's beside this truck? Fuck is you talking about? We back just like that. Back just like that. Where'd you think I was? Where you going? Where'd you think you was going? Yeah, I got caught up. But we back. Now we behind the Subaru. I almost said FRS, but I read the name, so I'm glad I paid attention before I said it. For somebody to get hurt. Like, bro, it's not FRS. Same difference. You got it. Oh, no, this shit open. Yeah. Fuck that truck. Fuck that truck, dog. Appreciate it. He let me over. Still got this whole opening. Going over a hundo. Going over a hundo. I think there's a cop up there. Excuse me. There's only one way to find out what it is, right? You gotta fuck around and find out. It could be. That thing on the back is, oh, that's a spoiler. Never mind. Shit, we gonna fuck with him, actually. No, we're not. No, we're gonna let them know what it sounds like to have a good intake, though. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yo, shit quiet, nigga. Yo, shit quiet. My shit got noise. Shit'll wake up a neighborhood, and it's only the intake. Let's go this way. If you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. Comment down below what you guys would like to see. I plan on, I don't know if I'll end up doing another POV video before I end up trying to get this exhaust installed. But if we do, cool. If we don't, hey, either way, y'all gonna get that exhaust video. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
I'm getting better.